Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, nagpaplano sila. Today's trip was completely unplanned. We suddenly decided to visit our farm without telling anyone there. Nobody knew we were coming. So this was going to be a real surprise visit. We packed a few things, got ourselves ready, and headed out since we knew it would be a long walk. We brought some Jollibee with us. Of course, we didn't want anyone getting hungry along the way. A little food always makes an adventure better. The weather was not on our side today. It was incredibly hot because we started walking around noon. The sun was shining so brightly and we could really feel the heat with every step we took. But even though it was hot, we kept going. Our first stop was the duck area. We walked around and checked on the ducks. It was nice to see them eating and moving around freely. The kids were excited to watch them and even tried calling their attention. It was fun seeing how active they were. After visiting the ducks, we headed to the pig pens. We checked on the pigs and saw that they were doing well. Some were busy eating while others were resting. We spent some time looking around. When we finally arrived at the farm, everyone immediately looked for a place to rest. After walking under the scorching heat for so long, nobody wanted to stand anymore. We all found our own spots around the small kubo. The cool breeze around the farm felt so refreshing after our long and tiring journey. Some didn't waste any time and immediately started eating. While waiting for the lechon to cook, we all gathered around the kubo and simply enjoyed each other's company. There was no rush, no gadgets, and no distractions.
Sila, Red Hood, sila, no? Sabay sila, sila Rick. Oh. Pakuha na kayo.
Ha? Wait lang. Ayan, sa Ate Wilma, gutom na gutom yan. Kala nyo. Kukuha lang ako na. Ayan.
Kamay na. Hey, kamay ha. Baka sukutin nyo, ma.
Oh. Ay, kuya mo. Oy, Jay! Hindi na normal yan, Jay.
Family.
Hindi yan normal. Pa, lito na pa.
Yung mga kamay
Pa,
naman.
kuha ka na. Kakaya naman.
Uy, puto, kawawa naman doon. Lechon ko.
Hala, grabe ka, sarap. Hingi kami mang
Diba? Oo. Sila Rick. Rick! Rick! Dito ba? Yung matatanda na.